In 2026, the energy crisis isn't about supply, it's about efficiency. Millions of roofs are covered in solar panels, but most of them are failing. The culprit? Atmospheric dust, bird droppings, and biofilm. A layer thinner than a human hair can cut your energy output by 30%. Most homeowners think rain is enough. It's not. Rain is actually a catalyst that turns dust into a hard, sun-blocking crust. This invisible energy leak is costing global homeowners billions of dollars every single year. It's a massive, unnoticed gap in the market. Welcome to the research. Today we analyze the solar maintenance subscription, the most stable physical business of 2026. You don't just wash panels. You restore their molecular efficiency. Ordinary tap water leaves mineral deposits that cause hot spots. You need deionized water. It acts like a magnet for dirt, leaving zero residue. This is your first professional advantage. Next, the Telescopic carbon fiber brush. It allows you to clean from the ground or a ladder without stepping on the fragile cells. The game changer in 2026 is the thermal drone. It detects micro cracks and overheating cells invisible to the human eye. By combining cleaning with thermal diagnostics, you transition from a cleaner to a high-tech energy consultant. This positioning allows you to charge premium prices while your competitors fight for crumbs in the window cleaning niche. Let's look at the numbers. A one-time cleaning is a mistake. You want recurring revenue. That's where the real wealth is built. A standard residential subscription costs $50 per month. This includes quarterly cleaning and monthly drone inspections. One person can maintain 5 to 7 houses a day. That's roughly 120 houses a month. Do the math. 120 clients at $50 each equals $6,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Your overhead? Less than $800. But the real scale is in B2B, commercial roofs and small solar farms. A single contract there can be worth $2,000 a month. The ROI here is staggering. Your equipment pays for itself in the first 45 days of operation. The risks are real. Working at heights requires certification and insurance. In 2026, liability is your biggest expense. You also need to stay updated on panel technology. New, self-cleaning coatings are coming, but they still require expert inspection. The verdict: solar maintenance is the trash collection of the green energy age. It's unglamorous, essential, and extremely profitable. We've analyzed the data. Now it's your turn. Which niche should we dive into next? E-waste goldmine or biohacker? Vote below. Subscribe to stay informed. Build your future with us. See you in the next deep dive.